In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to inspect on Google Chrome mobile. So we're going to open the Google Chrome browser, and at the top right corner, you can see the three dots where we're going to click on it. And we're going to click on the star icon, which is for the bookmarks, because we'll be creating a bookmark. And so we're going to look down here and see that the bookmark is saved. And we're going to go down to that bookmark. And then here we get the chance to edit it. So we're going to give it a new name. And here in the URL, we'll be pasting a code which you can find in this video's description. After pasting the code, this will be saved and you can go back. And now we're going to open any web page. So now that we're in a web page, what we're going to do is to click on the address bar and search for that bookmark. So you can see at the bottom here, we have inspect element, and you can also see that it's here in the mobile bookmarks. So we're going to click on it, and now that we've clicked on it, there is an icon that appears at the bottom right, so you have to be watchful. So here we can see this icon here. I'm going to bring it over here, and you can see it highlighted here as I'm moving it around. And so we're going to click on it, and now you have the chance to look at the elements, the network, the resources, the sources, and other information for inspection that you would like to have. So this is how to inspect on Google Chrome Mobile.